word. Let's try. Alright, thank you. To start, let me ask you a question. If your school were a living cell, what would each part of school reference? Who would be the nucleus? This Lydia. In a cell, the nucleus is the organelle that acts as the housing the cell genetic material and regulating its activities to their DNA replication and transcription. Thank you, Lydia. Great answer. This helps us understand that every part of a cell. So, cell. What is the cell? In the material, I have eight couple of contents for today. One is a definition of cell. What is cell? Cell is a basic and fundamental unit of life. It processes high organism structure and enable it to carry out its vital function. Uh, in cell have two types. One is prokaryotic and two is eukaryotic. In prokaryotic, cell is a differentiated genetic material in the cytoplasm. And in the eukaryotic, cell is cellulose cell wall in the plant and animal. Red cell wall may have variola, and in protists, the cell is they can have a cell wall without its different tissue. And in fungal is a sitting cell wall. They are hepatotic. Structure of a cell is a basic function is this component work together to maintain cellular homeostasis and perform essential life activities. In cell membrane, the cell membrane surrounds the cell and is a selective barrier between the interior and the exterior. Its primary role lies in regulation in the state of a substance, including nutrient and waste material. Within it, specialized protein play a cellular role of policing multicellular and transport and cellular communication. Okay, now we are going to something fun and collaboration. Let's have gallery walk. You will visit different sessions around a group. Uh, I can make a two group. Group one is Ulan and Lydia. Group two is Alan and Zelika. Okay, I have a worksheet for group one and group two. I'm sharing in WhatsApp group. So I have 15 minutes for your worksheet. Thank you. It's so simple, easy, and easy. Courses, apa sih? Okay. Everything is good job. For presentation in from the from class. You? So are you done with your answer? Alright, group one, it's your turn. Please come to the front and presentation your work. Okay, ready? Group one. Listen the question and listen the answer. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you for participation. Okay, here we will present the result of our discussion. Okay, why is the lowest on the control in the middle of the cell? Okay, the iris the lowest is on the control center of the cell because it hosts the cell genetic material and control cellular activity, include growth, metabolism, and reproduction. Number two, what is the function of the predators organized? How are they different? Okay, they are different from each other because they carry out the tasks essential for their cell survival and proper function. 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 Okay. Okay, good job for group one. Give a big applause for group one. Thank you, group one. Sit down, please. Thank you. Thank you, group one, for your presentation. Now, group two is your turn. Please come to the front our presentation. Sure, here. Please clear and simple explanation for the topic is reversal and rock endoplasmic reticulum. Reversal alpha protein factor remark protein is by reading instructions from the cell's DNA. Some reversal preferably in the cytoplasm still others are attached to the air or route because of the ribosome on its surface. So they work together. Ribosome on the route there and proteins that are meant to be shipped of the cell organ to specific places inside the cell. Two are ribosomes, the protein, they insert them directly into the air. The air foods ammonophis, these proteins, giving them ready for transport. And for once the protein are ready, they are put into vessels and sent to the body apparatus. Okay, thank you everyone. Give a close to okay, please. Okay, thank you for group 1 and 2. Now that you have our station already, and I have assessment take home for next. Okay, has been in a chat in the WhatsApp group. Yes, miss. Okay, the assessment deadline in 1 week. And do you have any question? No, miss. Okay, thank you. Good job for today, everyone. You have worked actually and learned a lot about visible medicine inside ourselves. Before we finish, take 2 seconds to think what was the most interesting things you learned today. Yes, Miss. Okay, Miss Ulan. Okay, so I was able to learn about the cell from my body part and discussing with friends was very enjoyable. Okay, thank you, Lan. Okay, let's end the lesson with short prayer. Close your eyes and be thankful for the opportunity to learn something new. Prayer.